Welcome back to Yoga Therapy Thursdays. This week we're talking about the obliques. Your obliques help you bend sideways and twist. And to stretch them, we need to do the same things. You have two sets of obliques. You have external obliques, which go from here downward. And you have internal obliques, which go from the hips kind of up towards the midline. There are several seated postures you can do to help stretch out the obliques. You can start sitting up nice and tall with your legs in a comfortable position. Inhale the arms up overhead. Exhale, twist to look one direction. This twist doesn't need to go very far, and it's not about how far you can look. If you're twisting through the neck, you're not going to feel the stretch through the obliques. Think inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Another option is to bend sideways. One hand goes on the ground. Inhale the other arm up and over. This other arm doesn't need to come all the way down to the floor, but if it can, that's fine as well. Your gaze can go up, middle, or down, whatever is easiest for your neck. Think about drawing your shoulders away from your ears and feel the stretch through the side body. Another fun pose to try is to combine the two. Be very mindful if you have any herniated discs and avoid this pose. Inhale, lift the arms up overhead. Exhale, twist. Hold on to your knee. Take the other arm up and over and reach it to the other knee that's not being held onto. This pose gets into your obliques, but also into your lats as well. Another nice way to stretch out your lats is to do a side bend in child's pose. From child's pose, walk your hands to one side, take your torso with you, but keep your hips anchored towards your heels. There are several standing postures in yoga that stretch out the obliques. One of the most common ones is side angle. You start in Warrior Two with one knee bent over the ankle and the other leg extended out behind you. Your arm comes to the top of the leg, other arm comes up and over the top. From here, you'll start to feel a stretch into the extended side body. Revolve side angle is another way to stretch out the obliques. When I start in a lunge, your back heel can be lifted or it can be down on the ground. The arms lift up overhead, hands together, down to heart center. Your opposite elbow comes across the opposite thigh. Press the hands together and lift your heart center towards the thumbs. Extend your back heel away. Triangle pose is another excellent way to stretch out the obliques. Feet are about wingspan distance apart, maybe a little bit more narrow. Arms come out to a T, shift one hip back, reach the other arm forward. That hand can go either on a block, the shin, or the mat. That top arm lifts up, turn your gaze up towards the ceiling, straight ahead or down, whatever's easiest on your neck. Just as with all the other body parts we stretch, there's more than these ways to stretch out your obliques. As always, remember to relax and restore through constructive rest. Move, strengthen, and then stretch. See you next week on Yoga Therapy Thursdays.